Today we're going to be looking at the area under a curve. Area under a curve actually can give us some information that we're going to talk about in future videos. So for now, we need to figure out area under a curve. The problem is, with a curve, it's hard to get an exact area. So for now, we're just going to be okay with estimating the area under the curve. And today what we're going to be looking at, they are called upper sums or lower sums. So upper sums and lower sums. Upper sums, what we're going to do is we're going to build rectangles that are going to go above the curve. Rectangles are really easy to find area, length times width, base times height, whatever you want to call it. Really simple, so we're going to use rectangles. So here, I only know for sure these point values. So I'm going to use those to help build rectangles. And like I said, we're going to start here with the upper curves. So I want my rectangles to go above the curve. So they're going to look like this. Okay? So this rectangle has a base of 2 and a height of 6. I'm going to add that. This one has a base of 4 and a height of 4. This one has a base of 2 and a height of 2. So this is 12 plus 16 plus 4, so that's 20. This has an area of 32. It is very clear that this is an overestimation because our rectangles are going above our curve. Plain and simple. Upper sums meaning upper estimation. It's an overestimation. So then we also have our lower sums. Lower sums, we're still going to use rectangles, but every rectangle has to stay below the curve. So to do that, I'm going to just be able to build this rectangle here. Anything else, any other rectangle is going to go above that curve. So this has a base of 6 and a height of 2. So this is giving me an area of 12. So I can tell that the actual area is going to be somewhere between 12 and 32. This is a lower estimation. Look at all this area that we are not taking into account. So we are definitely losing area with our lower sum and gaining area with our upper. So our actual area is going to be between 12 and 32. Okay? Upper sums, we want it to go above the curve. Lower sums, we're going to go below the curve. So I have my quadratic here. We're going to find upper and lower sums here. So for my upper sums, let's see, I'll build this rectangle here and this rectangle and that rectangle. So I've got 3 rectangles. So this one has a base of 1, height of 1, base of 1, height of 1, and this one has a base of 1 and a height of 4. So we have 1 plus 1 plus 4. My upper sum is 6. Overestimation. So my lower sums, we're now going to stay below the curve. This one's going to look kind of funky here. You ready for this? So to stay below here, this one's going to have a height of 0. That one's going to have a height of 0. And this one's going to have a height of 1. Base of 1, height of 0. Base of 1, height of 0. Base of 1, height of 1. So my lower sum is 1 and my upper sum is 6. In this case, the only way to keep a rectangle below the curve was to have no height whatsoever. Okay, go forth, find that area, estimate it. Good luck.